So you can start stirring. Mama already got it ready. You want another spoon? This is not good enough for you? Okay, we don't need 3 spoons really, but alright. So we're on wild garlic crackers. So what you see inside, keep stirring from the left to the right, Linda, from the left to the right. What you're pointing here at is linseed. Linseed that was soaked in water. Well, this is actually golden seeds. You can use any kind of seeds, but this acts like great binder. You see? Golden seed or linseed. You want to try the texture? I soaked it in water just to activate it so I can combine it with the fresh wild garlic. So this is the result that you see in the here. Come here, Linda. Come here. We're not playing now. Come here. This is your job. So we will just stir it. I blended it in the blender. So this is just soaked in water linseeds. Linda, keep stirring. Come here. This is your job. Keep stirring. And we just combined it with wild garlic. So this is just blended texture. This will be better for you, this spoon. That will be better for you. This is too big. Because as you see, golden seed or linseed acts like a good binder. So texture will be together and the seeds were activated. So they were soaked in water and they increased their benefits. Lindush, come here. Come help me. Linda, we're not playing now. Come. We have to finish this. Then I will just display it in the way as it is on the baking tray. And I will dry it in raw conditions. You can add whatever you want. I added onion or garlic. But if you have some special spices, except salt, of course, some spices. Where is your apron? Huh, Linda, where is your apron? You need apron when you're baking. Well, this is not baking because they will be raw crackers. So what we do with Linda is we will display them nicely on the baking trays, very thinly, and you can display on the top any kind of seeds, like, I don't know, I like, for example, I prefer these sesame seeds, or sunflower seeds, or hemp seeds, or some edible flowers, like nasturtium flowers, if you have them already on the hand, but I don't in this climate. I have to wait. So I display it thinly, I spread it thinly on that tray, and I will just sprinkle with different seeds and dry it in raw conditions, which is not more than 42 Celsius or I think it's around 103, 106 Fahrenheit. And it will be drying within 1 day, and it will be nice crispy raw crackers. You will like it, Linda. So any kind of plants, wild plants or homegrown plants, I'm using wild garlic plant with seeds, linseeds, golden seeds. I picked golden seeds because they are they act like great binder. You were meant to help me, Linda. You were meant to help me. No, you don't want to. But you want to eat. Okay, it's a great deal. So once it's done, you can see the result. I will probably post it there so you can see it. If you could smell it, it's nice, beautiful wild garlic smell. And it's really delicious. It will last in the glass jar for roughly 1 month, up to 1 month, but not in our house because it will be gone fast. Huh? Lindush, say hello.